Prince Chaudhary reporting from Salisbury Park for Pune Times Mirror. As you can see here, a huge tree has fallen. It has broken the fence on top of the boundary wall. Even the boundary wall has been completely damaged. The barbed wire on top of the wall has collapsed. It's a huge tree, and this has happened today itself. There are no rainfall, there is no kind of storm or anything. This tree is a very old tree. It is not known how this tree has fallen, but it has fallen on the side of the road. It has covered almost half the road, but the Pune Municipal Corporation has come and cut the tree off at a particular point so that it doesn't protrude into the road. As you can see, this road comes in from Market Yard ahead, and this road goes towards Pune Cantonment, Vanodi and other places. So the tree has fallen today. It's a massive tree, and it is not known actually how the tree has fallen. And normally such kind of tree falls take place during heavy torrential rains and in the monsoons. But the monsoons are still a few months away in June. And as you can see, the tree has been uprooted and fallen, and it was protruding onto the main road. But like I said, the tree department has chopped it off so that traffic flow can be maintained. Now, if you see here, it has been completely uprooted and it has fallen from its roots. It looks like the tree has been eaten by termites. It's a huge tree. You can see here, there's a gaping hole. It has damaged the wall completely. This has happened sometime today. No one seems to know when this has happened. This is Mira Society, Salisbury Park.
Around 10 o'clock.
Around 10 o'clock in the morning?
Yeah.
Okay, so the local residents from Mira Society are telling us that this has happened around 10 o'clock in the morning. There are no rains, there are no monsoons, but this huge tree has fallen. Perhaps it was eaten by termites. It's a huge tree, and it was protruding onto the main road. It's been uprooted right from the roots. You can see there's a huge gaping hole. As you can see here, a huge hole.
Yeah, I'm Ramesh Shah, resident of Mira Society. One of our very old trees, a Gulmohar tree. Yesterday it fell off on the road. It got uprooted from the roots. But luckily at around 9:30, quarter to 10 in the morning, it fell in a very, very slow motion. So nobody was injured. There was one tempo driver who had come in between, but he ran off leaving his tempo. And so only the tempo was had a dent. But otherwise nobody was injured, God forbid. Thank you.
Thank you so much.